Hello, hope everybody is doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up free shipping on Wix website or how to offer free shipping on your Wix website. The first thing you will need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and I want you to scroll down until you see settings. Once you have found settings, you are going to tap on it. Then it is going to open up a new page. Once on the settings page, I want you to tap right where you see shipping and fulfillment. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to the shipping page. Then you're going to scroll down. The first thing you're going to see is your current location. You will see it as domestic, and you can toggle on if you would like to offer free shipping in that region. And if you would like to set it up for different regions, all you'll have to do is tap on add region. Once you have tapped on add region, from there you can tap right where you see add destination. So you'll tap on add destination, then you can search for the destination as you can see right here. So let's say I would like to add Canada. All I would have to do is tap on Canada right there. Then after you have done that, right where you see free shipping, you're going to leave it as is. Then you're going to tap on settings, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. After selecting After selecting Canada, you can add more destinations if you want by tapping on add destination. Then all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and you will see the option select how shipping is calculated, and you can leave it as free shipping. Then you'll see shipping option name, and you leave it as free shipping right there. Then you can add in the estimated delivery time, and after you have added in the estimated delivery time, all you'll need to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.